Hi guys, Celai here. Welcome back to another video. So today I'll be teaching you how to make homemade sea moss. But before we get started, this t-shirt is dedicated to Simone Biles. So a reporter asked her, "Why do you do such difficult tricks?" And she said, "Because I can." Anyways, good luck to Simone in Tokyo. And you can get this t-shirt on my website. Alright, let's get started. So this is everything we'll be using to make my homemade sea moss gel. Make sure to like and subscribe. So we'll be using this Irish sea moss, which is crafted in St. Lucia. It sustains energy, it's good for hair, skin, nails, and bones, and it also helps with thyroid health because it is packed with both minerals and vitamins. We purchased the sea moss from AkinPierre.com. We found him on TikTok where he makes really informative videos, and he's also a Black-owned business. Next, we'll be using half of a lime. They recommend using a key lime, but a lime was all we had, so we'll be working with that. Next, you will need spring water, not purified water and not distilled water. Spring water. Next, you will need a mason jar. You know, the ones with the two lids so that it's airtight? Yeah, one of those. Lastly, you'll need a large bowl so that the sea moss will still fit after it expands. So this is what the dried sea moss looks like. As you can see, there is that piece of sea moss that is a lot lighter than the others. That one actually has a lot of salt on it, so we gotta make sure that we rinse it all off before we soak it. Some people prefer to rinse in the spring water or just do a double soak, but I personally prefer to just rinse in lukewarm water to get the excess salt and sand off before I soak. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow me on some of my other social media platforms. Also, all the t-shirts that I'm wearing in this video can be found on my website at www.thechattychick.com. I'm making sure to rub these bad boys down to make sure that the sea moss gel isn't gritty. So this is what it looks like after it's been rinsed. Alright, so it's time to add the spring water. Make sure to add enough water to cover the sea moss. Once the sea moss starts expanding, if you find yourself needing to add more spring water, then you may go ahead and do so. Now it's time to add half of a lime. I was really struggling to juice this lime. Like, I have never seen a lime more dry and ashy. Make sure to leave the lime in to soak with the sea moss because actually the lime helps neutralize the ocean flavor. And I'll also be using a lid to just close it off. Toodles! Good morning, guys! Whoa, look how big that got. Ugh, why am I showing this like I'm a model from The Price is Right? Now it's time to load this into the blender. Make sure to get all the little pieces, but not the lime. Add new spring water just about till all the sea moss is covered. I honestly thought it was too much water, but it turned out to be the perfect amount. And now it's blending time. Yeah, that scared the mess out of me. At this point, it was the consistency of applesauce, but I like mine super smooth, so we kept going. So this is what it looks like. It looks like the consistency of baby food, but don't worry, it'll gel up. Now it is time to pour into my mason jars. This is how we make our homemade sea moss. This is how much we ended up making. And as you can see, we ended up pouring the excess sea moss into a different jar because I will be using this for my hair and for like a face mask. So I just wanted to keep the edibles away from stuff that I'll actually be using like on my face. And then, we still have this excess water. A lot of people just end up blending the sea moss with the water, but we just decided not to, just in case it had like an extra salt in it, of course. So we just ended up doing that. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below how you'd use the water that you soak your sea moss in. All right, bye.